Tired of having to unlock your Android device every time you want to use it? I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to set up Android Smart Lock so you can keep your device unlocked when it's convenient for you. Now let's get started. Android Smart Lock will allow you to add trusted locations and devices and enable on-body detection so your phone will stay unlocked as long as it's on your person. With Smart Lock enabled, if you're at one of your trusted locations or connected to a trusted device, your device will unlock automatically. To enable Smart Lock on Android, open your device's settings. Then select Lock Screen. Tap Smart Lock. Now enter your passcode. Then tap On Body Detection. Tap the switch to enable this feature. Then tap Continue. Now go back and tap Trusted Places. Tap Add Trusted Place. Your device will automatically detect your current location. If you'd like to add a different location as a trusted place, type the address of the place you want to add in the search bar at the top. Tap it when it appears in the search results. Then tap Select this location. To confirm, tap OK. You can add multiple trusted places if you like. When you're at one of these locations, your device will stay unlocked for up to 4 hours. Once you've set your trusted locations, go back and select Trusted Devices. Here you can add a trusted Bluetooth device. When your Android is paired with this Bluetooth device, your Android will stay unlocked. Go into your Bluetooth settings and connect the trusted device you want to use. Then come back to this screen and select the device you want to use. At the bottom, tap Add. That's all it takes to set up Smart Lock on Android. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.